Tom,
Morning, Christy.
tell us a little bit about who you're standing next to right there.
This is my grandfather, Frederick Lamar Dupree, and he was the first of our three generations in the securities business. He started in the business about 1917 when he had just gotten out of World War I briefly, or it might have been 1918, and he went to work for Louisville Gas and Electric selling stock directly to the public. He wasn't with a brokerage firm, and I think he got with a brokerage firm around 1920. Of course, went through the Great Depression, stayed in the business, and he had been in the business, in the brokerage end of it, about 50 years when he died in 1970.
Huh. Well, that's fun, and people could see his portrait here hanging in our offices.
Right.
All right. Well, tell us a little bit about, thanks for sharing that, and tell us a little bit about what we can expect to hear you guys talking about this weekend on the radio.
I think something that's not being talked about, people are talking about how the stock market's going up with Trump. Yeah, that's all great. As we know, stocks can turn around, go the other way. But the big deal is that isn't being talked about is the rise in interest rates that we're seeing, and especially on the 10-year and the 30-year U.S. Treasury. So the 10-year Treasury has gone up, gosh, almost 100 basis points in about 3 months, which is 1%. So the yield right now is around 2.4% on the Treasury. Now, that means that every interest-earning investment might have dropped in price. Plus, it also could mean that it's good news ahead for savers so that they can potentially get more on their money. We also have to keep an eye on it if we invest for dividends, because we now know that the government bond is becoming competitive, at least more so, with dividend-paying stocks. So it's something you got to keep an eye on. And people who are retirement investors must know where interest rates are and how it affects their portfolio.
Great. Sounds like it's going to be a
boring show.
No, it's going to be jam-packed with a lot of information.
Well, listen, the average person could care less about this stuff. We're here to make you care.
That's right. Well, you guys are doing the work, the heavy lifting.
That's right.
That's right. Well, awesome. And we're expecting, there's no football this weekend, but there is a pretty big basketball game on Saturday.
There is. UCLA, it's here at Rupp.
That's right.
Here it is Friday. We should probably see the scalpers out here by sometime this afternoon.
Exactly, because we're right down on Main Street.
Exactly. And anything can be bought and sold on Main Street.
That's right. That's why we like to be here.
Yeah.
All right. Well, tell us again where we can listen to the radio show.
On News Radio 630 WLAP, which is our AM station here, from 6 to 9 on Saturdays AM, and 6 to 8 on Sundays, also in the morning. You can also hear it on WLAP.com.
Perfect. Well, thanks so much. Happy December. Happy early holidays.
Right.
Happy holidays.
I know you're getting really fired up about the holidays. Just pace yourself.
Exactly. That's good advice.
I ask you to pace yourself.
Yes, that's good advice to everybody.
High on it, and it's fine. I'm for that.
Exactly. Thanks so much.
Okay. Thank you.